I don't wear a gas mask in every latex session I do because it's very time-consuming to put on and requires a lot of maintenance afterwards. But the gas mask is one of my favorite accessories and makes me feel most like Latexitaly. It's an accessory that gets into your soul and your head and makes you feel like you're on another planet. I'm a latex and rubber enthusiast myself, and I can tell you exactly why and so many others latex lovers also love wearing gas masks. For me, it starts with the look. When I slip into a shiny black catsuit, gloves, and boots, everything already feels sleek and otherworldly. Then I put on a gas mask and suddenly the whole silhouette changes. I go from person in latex to something more anonymous, more menacing or more object-like, depending on the mood. The moment the mask seals against my face, the sensory shift hits hard. My breathing changes, deeper, louder, more deliberate. Every inhale and exhale becomes audible, mechanical, almost performative. The world gets quieter outside the mask, my vision tunnels a bit through the lenses, especially when they start to fog, and I feel more enclosed, more trapped inside my own head and body. That mix of restriction and hyper-awareness is incredibly intense for me. It's like the latex already turns my skin into something hypersensitive, and the gas mask takes it one step further by controlling my breath and isolating me. There's also the psychological side. When the mask is on, I'm not really me anymore. My face is gone, my expressions are hidden, and that anonymity lets me drop inhibitions. What about you? Do you have a favorite part of the gas mask plus latex experience? Or are you just curious why so many of us are drawn to it?